Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. How to fix iPhone battery drain in iOS 18.1. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. If a force restart doesn't fix your battery draining, then try to update all apps. Sometimes even updating apps may help increase the battery draining. To do that, open the App Store. At the top right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. Scroll down and update apps individually, or tap Update All to update everything at once. Even updating did not solve the battery draining, then check battery usage by app. Go to the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Battery. Check which apps are consuming the most battery. If an app is draining too much battery, try to use it for less time. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. This will not delete your data, but will reset settings like saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, home screen layouts. Enable low power mode. For that, open the Settings app. Next, tap on Battery. Then enable the toggle for low power mode. Disable location services. For that, open the Settings app. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Toggle off Location Services. Check for iOS update. To update, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.